Hey everyone, welcome back to the only channel you need to start a food truck. I'm Pracha Yang and I'm here to share my experience. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm gonna make more food truck business video. This isn't gonna be everything, but it'll help you get started on planning your food truck journey. So here we go. So when I started my food truck journey, I got a food trailer instead of an actual food truck. Well, that's mainly because I already had a truck, so I didn't have to invest into another truck. Also, during my research, I discovered that a food trailer's price point was a lot lower than a food truck. A lot of the food trucks I found were really old, and so I didn't feel comfortable relying on an old engine to start up my business. And I had recently just bought my truck, so I knew that my engine would be reliable compared to an old food truck. Also, if my truck went down for any reason, then I could just go rent another truck to haul my trailer around. So when I decided to get a trailer, I decided to get it built instead of buying one, because I was able to choose what I want if I decided to get it built from a builder. From my past experience working at a 9-to-5 job, I've learned that you should always look for 3 different vendors before choosing one. And that's what I did. And you want to do this to get a good cost comparison between the different vendors, so you know that you're paying the best price and getting the best quality out of your build. So after speaking with 3 different vendors, I finally chose one, and I was able to get the trailer that I wanted, and it got me everything I needed in the trailer. Gave me enough space to work with and all the equipment I need to start my food truck business. So once I got my trailer, I thought it would be easy to just use my truck to haul it around. And boy, did I learn something different. It wasn't as easy as I thought. I had a Ford F-150 and it wasn't the best for the job. I think a Ford F-250 would have been much better for the job. But as someone starting a new business, it's part of the learning process to learn and understand what is going to be going good for you and what is not. I didn't have any experience driving around with a trailer, so it was a bit of a learning curve for me. The trailer felt really heavy once it was stocked with all the equipment and products that I needed, and when I was driving on the freeway, it swayed a lot if I went over 65. Another thing I learned is that you need trailer brake control in your truck, which I didn't have any in my truck, and I had to get it installed. Another thing that I didn't really like about having to haul a trailer around is bumps. No matter how big or small the bump is, if I don't slow down to an almost complete stop while going through it, the trailer is gonna bounce really high. And driving through all those bumps will cause all your equipment to move around, so make sure you secure them before taking off with the trailer. Backing up the trailer was also a skill that I had to learn over time. It wasn't very easy to back up a trailer. When I first started, it takes me 5 to 10 minutes just to back up the trailer into its parking spots. Hooking and unhooking the trailer was a pretty tedious task. Every time I parked the trailer, I had to unhook it, and every time I went to pick up the trailer, I had to rehook it. And because of that, sometimes I wish I had a regular food truck so I could just hop in and go like everyone else. A nice feature that my truck had was a backup camera. I don't think I could have done it without it. Without the backup camera, I think it would take even longer to hook up the trailer and go. Well, these are some of the reasons why I chose a trailer instead of going with a food truck, and some of the things that I didn't really enjoy while having a trailer. The things I share today may not be the best way or the right way of doing things, but I hope that my experience will help you on your food truck journey. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one.